is really response AI talks like a real person, not like a robot or technical system. The performance is not speed only, it is speed plus accuracy plus stability. Let's start to program upload. To click the GitHub link, you can see the different character: Albert Einstein, Charlie Chaplin, and Cristiano Ronaldo. The full details I sharing in this link. To click the Cristiano Ronaldo link, you can see the program. Here using model is GPT 4.0 mini and platform is OpenAI. Token is here setting 110. This is system prompt section. It's fixed instruction give to AI before user message. Is tell the AI who it is, how to behave, and how to reply. To copy the source code, then open the Arduino IDE software to copy paste here. Then after you can see ESP32 AI Connect library. To copy the library, then click the library section, then copy paste here. You can see the ESP32 AI Connect library. To install the library, then set your Wi-Fi name here, then set your Wi-Fi password. After set the OpenAI API key. To search the Google, OpenAI API key. To click this link, to click sign and sign up your Google account. Then click here. You can see create API key. Click. Then click create new API key. Here enter your project name. Then after click here, you can see your API key. Copy paste the API key. Then copy paste here. Successfully copy paste the API key. Then compile the source code. To click here. The program is successfully compiled. Then click the upload button. To click the ESP32 reset button. Then our Cristiano Ronaldo character ESP32 project is successfully upload. And any question enter in CL monitor. I enter hi message. You can see the message hello. The message is so accurate, so clear. Then type other question. Who are you? Message is you can see I am Cristiano Ronaldo. Is perfectly work Cristiano Ronaldo character. You can see the clear test message. The next message I type What is your mission? The message is enter. Oh my god, you can see the response. Your response is clearly speech like Cristiano Ronaldo. He's so amazing. You can enter any question for serial monitor. The response like more clear Cristiano Ronaldo character. This message you really shock. I enter you play football. Look the response. Yes, I play football. This is so nice. It's really work. Wow, it is amazing. The response you can so clearly is really response like Cristiano Ronaldo. The system prompt section type the instruction change you can enter any character is so easily. I show you other two character Charlie Chaplin and Albert Einstein. To go to click the my GitHub account. They first check Charlie Chaplin. You can see the prompt Charlie Chaplin name. Do I enter hi? Yeah, the Charlie Chaplin is message response so emotional and so like comedy. The Charlie Chaplin character is so emotional and dramatic. He's really working, no bad. My next question is what is your mission? I enter the question. Oh, you can see the response is so emotional. The Charlie Chaplin character is so emotional behaving. The system prompt sections clearly working. Next, I checking Albert Einstein character. I enter hi. You can see the response message, no bad. My next question is who are you? That response message you can really shock. I am Albert Einstein. Yes, it's so cool. This response like a science teacher. Wow, so amazing. My next question is what is your mission? The question I enter. You can see the response is clearly work. After I successfully create mini Albert Einstein, is so cool project. You can build any character by change system prompt instruction. This video more help you create more advanced project. Don't miss my channel, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye guys. Next smart video is coming soon.